Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the SolidWorks assembly tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you make this simple assembly inside SolidWorks assembly by using the width mate. Okay, so to use it, let me open a new assembly and and let me change the background plain white, and let me insert some component like my first component to place them into my assembly is this one. And after this, let me insert another component, and that is this rod. For now, let me place it over here, and let me move it in this direction. Make sure by pressing and holding the right button of your mouse, you can just rotate your separate entity. So let me do like this. Now, to use the width mate, you must know width mate is used to place in your part and the middle of the two faces. And for example, if I wanted to place in this rod and the middle of this face and this face, what to do, or the outer faces, let me come to mate and come to advanced mate. Now here you will see the width mate. Just select the width mate, and what selection, let me choose this face and this face, and tab selection, you must select your component face. Now see, it's right in the middle of your selected faces. Now the next mate I wanted to make in between this rod and this whole concentric mate, and say okay. See, now to discuss the width mate in more detail, let me insert another component, and that is this one. Let me bring it in this direction, rotate it in this direction, and let me make a mate in between this face and this face, make it parallel, and make a tangent mate in between this face and this face. Now the next mate is to make in between this face and this face, make them parallel. Now see, you can just drag this component tangent to this face. See, this is tangent to this. Now I wanna to place this component in the middle of this face and this face. What to do, come to mate, and after that come to the advanced mate and select width mate. And width selection, you must select the faces and that you wanted to place in your part in the middle. After that, you must select both of the opposite faces of your component. Now see, it has adjusted in the middle of the selected faces, and say again say right, and let me drag your component in this direction tangent to this face. Now to discuss in more detail, let me insert another smart rod in my assembly, and let me rotate it in this direction, and let me drag it a little bit over here like this. Now I wanted to place this smart rod and the middle of this face and this face. What to do, come to mate, and after that come to advanced mate and select weight mate. Okay, now wanted to place the rod and between this face and this face. Now select the component faces like this. You see, it's right in the middle. I wanted to drag it, so it's right in the middle of the component. Now I wanted to make another mate and between this rod and this hole. Let me clear the section. I wanted to make a concentric mate and between these two, come to standard mates and just select percent and say OK. Again say OK. Right? So this is how you can use the weight mate inside the SolidWorks Advanced Mate. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to like the video, share it, and press the notification bell icon. Also like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.